लास्ट वीडियो में हम एक्सपेरिमेंटली प्रूव कर रहे थे कि एसिड अपना एसिडिक बिहेवियर एब्सेंस ऑफ वाटर में शो नहीं करते। इसके लिए हमने क्या किया बेटा, सोडियम क्लोराइड लिया, उसमें सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड डाला तो क्या बना, सोडियम सल्फेट और HCl। इट इज नॉट एसिड। व्हाई इट इज नॉट एसिड? इट इज anhydrous, it is not aqueous. Why? Because all the water of acid is absorbed by sulfuric acid. Therefore we can say that it is hydrogen chloride is formed when sodium chloride reacts with sulfuric acid. It forms sodium sulfate and hydrogen chloride gas. ये हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड गैस यहाँ से बाहर निकलती है। हम ये हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड गैस यहाँ से बाहर निकलती है, हम इसके माउथ पर एक ब्लू लिटमस पेपर रख देते हैं। हम क्या करते हैं, इसके माउथ पर एक ब्लू लिटमस पेपर रख देते हैं। क्योंकि ये हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड गैस ड्राई है, एक्वस नहीं है, तो ये ब्लू लिटमस पेपर को रेड नहीं करती। व्हाई हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड इज गैस इज ड्राई? Because all the water which is present in this solution is absorbed by sulfuric acid and hydrogen chloride gas become dry. Then we take this blue litmus paper which is moist. In the next we take this blue litmus paper, some water is added in the blue litmus paper and then we put this moist blue litmus paper at the mouth of tube. Then this blue litmus paper become red. Why it will become red? Because now water is present. So either gas is aqueous or litmus paper is moist. Then acid show their acidic property. So in this way we can prove that acid do not show their acidic property in the absence of water. In the presence of water only hydrogen chloride gas dissolve in water and form hydronium ion and hydronium positive ion and chloride ion, or we can say that hydrogen chloride gas in presence of water form H positive ion and Cl negative ion. So acid show their acidic property only in the presence of water. This can be proved by this experiment. अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, हम आगे बोलते हैं कि all the compound which contain hydrogen are not acid. हर कंपाउंड जिसमें एसिड होता है, जिसमें हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट होता है, वो एसिड में हो ये जरूरी नहीं है। तो ऑल कंपाउंड्स which contain hydrogen are not acid. Only compounds which contain hydrogen, which when dissolved in water provide hydrogen positive ion, are acidic in nature or acid. But compound which contain hydrogen but these hydrogens are non-ionizable, they do not show the property of acid. Examples are sugar. Formula of sugar is C12H22O11. Formula of alcohol is C2H5OH. Formula of glucose is C6H12O6. All contain large amount of hydrogen, but they are not termed as acid because these compounds are covalently bonded, and covalently bonded compound cannot provide hydrogen positive ion. This can be proved by this experiment. We can prove this by the experiment. We take 3 beakers. In one beaker we put hydrochloric acid, In other we put alcohol, and in other we put vinegar. That is, in all the three containers we put two metals rod which behaves as electrode and connect it with battery. Connect it with galvanometer. And battery. Then we pass electricity in these all three containers. We see that only galvanometer, this galvanometer and this galvanometer show deflection. It means current is passed in these two solutions, but in this solution current is not passed. Why? Because alcohol is not acid. It do not show acidic property. It do not form hydrogen positive ion. So we can say that in only all compounds which contain hydrogen cannot behave as acid, because for show the property of acid, the compound must contain ionizable hydrogen, and or we can say that it can form hydrogen positive ion. Sugar, glucose, alcohol, all these compounds are benzene, which is a liquid, phenol, which is a liquid. It do not contain ionizable hydrogen ion, therefore they do not form hydrogen positive ion and do not show property of acid. So all compounds which contain hydrogen can never be acid. Only compounds having ionizable hydrogen ions are termed as acid.